privatization. Slovenia is it seems like Slovenia is stopping this theme, our telecom. I don't know if you know, but the process is in the finish line. What do you think about these processes? Should we continue or should we stop?
Well, every new government has to look at what is being proposed to see whether they agree with what's going forward. Privatization is a difficult issue. It has to be done well. There are some areas where it may be better to have a rather better management by the state. But my message to the Congress today was, if you are brewing beer or selling food, you don't need to do it from the government. And I'm sure that the mainstream feeling in Sumitsu is that we have to have a more dynamic economy.
So you expect that Slovenia is going to continue this process?
I believe the process will continue at the right pace, and I believe that the Slovenian people will benefit from the proceeds that it brings into the budget.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.